Why aren't more people talking about Zimbabwe's political déjà vu? Here's a blast from the past. Source, Change Radio. Before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Welshman Ncube once again has dusted off an old critique. Remember what he said about Tsvangirai back in 2005? Well, he's saying the exact same thing about Chamisa now. It's as if he's hit Ctrl+F on his old script, swapped Tsvangirai's name for Chamisa's, and called it a day. Ncube sees both Tsvangirai and Chamisa as failures. But what does this recycling of criticisms really say? Is it a genuine concern or just a clever political tactic? Does repeating the past help us understand the future, or does it just keep us stuck? One thing's for sure, in Zimbabwean politics, the more things change, the more they stay the same. Let's keep our eyes open and our minds sharp. The narrative might be old, but the implications are fresh. Stay informed, Zimbabwe.